In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gmail backup codes. Backup codes are a safety net for your Google account. If you ever can't receive a text, don't have your phone, or your authenticator app isn't available, these one-time codes let you sign in securely. Think of them as emergency keys you keep in a safe place, just in case. Start by opening a browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. It's best to do this on a trusted device and a secure network to keep your account protected. Once you're in your account dashboard, look to the left-hand side and select Security. This section is where Google groups all of your sign-in and protection settings, so it's the right place to manage two-factor options and backup methods. Within Security, scroll to the area labeled Signing In to Google. Find two-step verification and click it. If you're prompted to verify your identity again, follow the on-screen instructions. This is normal and helps ensure only you can change security settings. After two-step verification opens, scroll down until you see backup codes. Click Continue. This takes you to the place where you can access or create your emergency codes. If you've never set them up before, you'll have the option to get backup codes. If you've generated them previously, you may see Show Codes. Choose the option that appears. If you generate a new set, remember that doing so immediately invalidates any older codes, which is helpful if you think your old list might have been seen by someone else. Now it's time to save your codes. You can download them as a file, print them on paper, or write them down and store them safely. Pick a method you will actually use and can keep secure. For example, lock a printed copy in a safe place you control, or store the downloaded file in an encrypted private location. Avoid keeping them in plain text on your desktop or in an email folder, and never take a screenshot that could end up in a shared photo backup. A few crucial reminders before we wrap up. Each backup code can be used only once, so cross it off or discard it after you use it. You can generate a fresh set of codes anytime, and doing so will immediately make any previous codes invalid. Most importantly, never share your backup codes with anyone. Treat them like the keys to your account. With these steps, you'll always have a reliable way to sign in when other methods aren't available.